Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you and we are going to discuss how we can withdraw our cashback from the OPay app. But before I proceed, I would like you to please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel because more interesting videos that will help you are coming. So let's proceed immediately. All you have to do is to log into your OPay app. Now that we are on the OPay app, this is time for us to check and this is time for us to withdraw this cashback. And I remember the time when I used to have more cashbacks, but now my cashback is not more than 120. So now to check your cashback, what you have to do is to click reward. Yes, I've clicked on the reward, and as you can see, it indicates that I have over 120 naira cashback. So we are going to check how we can withdraw this 121 naira cashback. So all you have to do is go back to the home section. Now let me make this clear to you. Cashbacks cannot be withdrawn because there is no option that shows that you can withdraw cashback from your OPay app. Rather, you can only use your cashback to purchase things within the app. Like for example, this section is what you can use your cashbacks to do. You can use your cashback to buy airtime, buy data, fund your betting account, pay for TV subscription, and even electricity subscription. So that is what you can do with your cashback. But I don't think you can. There's no way. If any YouTuber or any person tells you that you can withdraw your cashback from OPay app, then that person is actually lying. See, this is the only way you can use your cashback. For example, if you want to buy airtime, now click on the airtime section. Let's say I want to buy 15 naira airtime. I click 15 naira. Now, in this place, this is how you can use your cashback. This is how you can collect your cashback. You can collect your cashback by using it to buy this. Instead of buying this 15 naira airtime from your main account, you can now use this cashback to pay for the 15 naira airtime by clicking the cashback toggle. Now I click the cashback toggle. It now indicates that I will not be paying anything because the amount I will be paying is 0.00 naira. This means that I will not pay anything. Rather, this is because I am using my cashback. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can withdraw your cashback. You can withdraw your cashback by using it to pay for other amenities rather than withdraw it straight to your bank account. So that is how you can do it. You cannot withdraw straight to your bank account. Rather, you can use it to pay for some certain things within the app. So thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel because more interesting videos are coming. And kindly like this video. Do not also forget to share this video because many people are looking for ways to withdraw their cashback, which is not possible. If you share this video, them also will get an idea of it. So that is how it is.